The equity markets are at an all-time high. They've bounced back over 100% from the lows that they made in March of 2020. And a lot of investors are worried, and they're asking us, should they hold on to their investments or should they book profits? Now, where we stand today, it looks like the economy after the second wave will bounce back uh, as we saw after the first wave. Indian economy has gone through a few years of down cycle. Uh, Corporate in India was at the cusp of a natural upcycle when COVID hit, which has deferred the recovery by a couple of years. But it looks like the economy will bounce back. Uh, Business cycle is perhaps at the bottom, and they could possibly turn on the upside. And there is a strong catalyst of low interest rates. We are at 20-year low interest rates, and real estate market, which has been sort of dead for the last few years, has shown some traction given the quantum of EMI burden on people has reduced because of low interest rates. And that is a very big catalyst, and it can overall pick up the economy and get the capex cycle moving. On the downside, you have valuations which are fairly expensive right now. They are not as cheap as they were a year ago. There is a risk of a third wave. And if that happens, again, there could be a lot of pain in the system. You could again have a lot of job losses, and incomes have been hit. And there is, of course, the risk of higher inflation, which could derail the recovery. Now, amongst all these factors, investors have a very long-term view, have SIPs running and have 10, 15 years on those SIPs. There is absolutely no reason to book profits or get out of equity markets because the underlying companies over that time frame have time to recover from any setback and will continue to grow. The Indian economy is still fairly small compared to even other emerging markets if you look at per capita consumption levels across categories. So there is a possibility that the Indian economy will continue to rise at a very rapid pace for the next decade and 2 decades. And most of the companies will do a lot better. So over that time frame, near-term setbacks, including market corrections, may not have a significant impact on your overall portfolio if you just extend your time horizon. But if you have some commitment, you need to take the money out over the next 1 year. There is money that you are accumulating for a house, money that you need to that you are accumulating for some payment that you need to make in a year's time. And if you have already accumulated the corpus that is required, then there is no need to risk that money. You can take that money out and book the profits that you've made. The only reason I say that is because the probability of a downside correction is higher given the rally that we've had. That doesn't mean markets will not reverse after correction, but you don't want to risk that money right now given the shorter time frame that you have. So for those kind of investors, I would suggest booking some profits right now and taking some money out. But if you're a long-term investor and have a long-term time horizon, then it really doesn't matter where the markets are right now. Even if they correct, you have enough time for them to recover, and the markets will eventually move a lot higher. And so these current peaks might not look that significant. This is what has happened in 2009-10. A lot of the markets moved substantially higher after the Lehman collapse. A lot of people book profits, but the peaks of those times now look very, very small because the markets have moved substantially higher from those levels, and which is what could happen even a decade down the road. So the advice that I have for investors is if you have a short-term time horizon and you've already accumulated the corpus for whatever objective you had in mind, perhaps it is the right time to take some money out. But if you have a long-term time horizon, you have SIPs running and you can keep investing for the next decade or 2 decades, then there is absolutely no reason to touch that money and you can continue to invest. And equity markets will move a lot higher over the next decade or 2 decades. Thank you so much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.